Hi students, I am back with another math lesson today. We are doing lesson 6.4. Please go ahead and get out your little math workbook and turn to page P111. P111 on your little math workbook. Please go ahead and pause this video until you have that done. All right, now that you have your textbook and you are ready to follow along, let's go ahead and do some of these problems together. Today, we are going to write division equations or division problem for the picture. So as you can see, they already wrote down for number 1. So we are going to write it down for number 2. One really important thing I want you guys to know, though, is that when you have a division equation, the number that is in front is the total number of objects divided by the number of groups equals the total number in each group. So if we had 10 divided by 5 equals 2, 10 would be the total number of objects. 5 is the number of groups, and 2 is the number in each group. So that's going to be really important to keep in mind today as we do these problems. Okay, so I'm going to keep that kind of right there, get this cord out of the way. All right. So on number 2, let's see. Probably the easiest thing to do first would be to count the number of objects, because that is our first number in a division problem. Count the number of objects, total number of objects. So this is 2's. I'm going to count by 2's. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Let's count again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, or 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So we have 16 divided by the number of groups. How many groups are there? Because the second number will be how many groups? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 groups equals how many in each group? There's 2 in each group, right? So that is our division problem for that picture. And we can flip-flop it and do 16 divided by 2 equals 8. So those are the 2 division problems that go along with this picture. Now this one is the one that goes along with the picture, but this fact is also related to it. It's in the fact family. All right, for number 3, let's see. The first number that we write down will be the total number of objects, right? The first number is the total number of objects. So let's see, we are counting by 4's. 4, 8, 12, 16. Oh, we have 16 again. 16 total objects. 4, 8, 12, 16. Divided by how many groups do we have? Because that is what the second number will be, the number of groups. If you're thinking 4, you are correct. 16 divided by 4 equals the number in each group. How many are in each group? There's 4 objects in each group, right? 16 divided by 4 equals 4 is the division equation that this picture shows. If we wanted to flip-flop it, it would really be the same thing because both of these numbers are 4, right? Both of them, 4 times 4 is 16. But we could still say, or 16 divided by 4 equals 4. All right, the next one that we're going to do is number 4. How many total objects do we have? How many total objects? Remember, that is the first number that we will have is the total number of objects. So it looks like they have 6, 12, 18. 18 total objects. So we have 18 total objects divided by the number of groups that we have. We have 3 groups. So 18 divided by 3 equals the number in each group. And there are 6 in each group. If we wanted to write the related fact, we can flip-flop the 3 and the 6 around. Because 3 times 6 equals 18, but 6 times 3 also equals 18. So we can do 18 divided by 6 equals 3 for the related fact. All right. We're going to do number 5. Number 5 is just a little bit different. It just has us doing a little bit different of groups. It says there are 15 postcards in 3 equal stacks. How many postcards are in each stack? So we would have to write down a division problem for this. So it says 15 is the total number, so it would be 15 divided by 3 equal groups, right? 3 equals stacks, so 15 divided by 3 equals blank. But I know that 3 times this number is going to equal 15. So 3 times what equals 15? If you're thinking 5, you are correct. 3 times 5 equals 15, which means that there are 5 postcards in each stack. 5, 10, 15. Well, the related fact, if we just switch around the 3 and the 5, would be 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Okay, that's going to be it for today. Today's lesson was pretty short. Please go ahead and use this if you need to. That could help you write your division problem. So remember, the first number is the total number of objects divided by the number of groups equals the number in each group. Okay? So you have a seesaw assignment to do now, and I will see you all next time. Bye!